What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be checking out the Womier K66 in Gateron Blue. Inside the box it comes with a USB type A to a USB type C. The A will go into the PC and the C will go into the keyboard, of course. This cable has a decent amount of length to it, but I'll probably use a custom cable. Then like the keyboard itself, I've seen a lot of people using this in their setups recently, even though this keyboard came out a while ago, but it has a decent look and everybody wants it because of the RGB effects. The case itself looks like it's made of 3 different layers of acrylic, which is pretty nice. Okay, this is the frosted effect they have on it. It's super nice. It stands out from other keyboards. But if you were to custom build your own keyboard and buy your own base, it probably costs way more. So yeah, it feels a little lighter than other keyboards, and it has like a squeak to it. Let me see if I can get it a little closer. Yeah, I'm barely putting any pressure on it, but the average person probably wouldn't even mind, especially if it's sitting down on the desk. Back to the bottom, it has the anti-glide, but I would much rather have kickstand so I can change the angle. But anyways, I mean, it sits decently flat against the desk. Then the keycaps themselves, they're pretty generic. I probably wouldn't use these. I probably would switch these out for putting keycaps by HyperX or something, so the RGB effects can be even greater than they normally would. Alright guys, now we into the RGB part. This keyboard shines pretty bright for there to be a light on it and light in the room. You can see the hot spots at the bottom, which is really not an issue for me. It still looks pretty cool. To change the brightness itself, you have to do function and delete, then function and insert to increase the brightness. This is full brightness. Hold on, let me cut on the light so you get a better effect. Oh yeah, that's super nice right there. So in order to control the RGB, there's no software. Everything is on the board. So you have to hit function control to change the upper effects. You can go through different breathing modes. Hold on, there we go. Yeah, different type of breathing modes. Then if you want to change the bottom RGB effects, you hold function and left control. You can change it, of course. Then if you want to change color, function space, then you just select the color you want to change it to if you have a certain color scheme for your setup. Yeah, so the RGB effects are super cool on this keyboard. I might use it in my setup, but I'm not sure yet, to be honest. But I'm definitely gonna give it more tests and let you guys know. Alright, this is my conclusion about this keyboard. It's a really good keyboard, but I feel like it lacks some features that other keyboards would have. Like the best extra feature would be the hot swappable, but you can also get better keyboards than this that has hot swappable switches. But the features it's missing Bluetooth, there's no mapping or macros. The keycaps are decent, but not the best, so you might want to switch them out. But you do get USB-C. They're hot swappable. You can change out the keycaps. I would get rid of the white cable and get a custom cable. So yeah, but everything else about the keyboard is pretty good. You probably only use this for just basic typing, but the average person probably wouldn't notice. But if you're a keyboard enthusiast, then you probably want to go with something a little more better, or you probably want to make your own. But for the price range, which is about a little bit over 50, this is a pretty decent keyboard. If you love it, you love it. If you don't like it, then you don't like it. But I'm pretty sure if you love RGB, you're gonna love this keyboard. So yep, that's my conclusion on this. I will leave everything linked in the bio. I mean, if I said the bio, if I will leave everything linked in the description. Also, if you have questions about anything, just let me know. I will hit you up in the comments. Appreciate everybody for watching. Peace.